Okay, what do you see in here? Here's a bell. You want to hold it? It's a bell.
William, where you going? Oh, we're going back to
Yeah.
Utah, William, for your blood work.
Wow. Here, I'll open the door.
So, if you travel with the kids, because this kid is very messy, so we put what's this one, Han?
It's a
Table,
tablecloth from the birthday aisle.
Yeah, so that it's not gonna be messy.
Only
It's
costs
very
like
clean.
$2.
Yeah.
We don't want
What?
to assume his gender.
What? No, I like pink. That's my favorite.
Yeah, well, look at him. He's trying to come on.
Yum yum. Where you going?
Can you make it? Come on, you can make it.
Maybe I'll drive, my love. You think?